I didn't see there. Sadly, I am down here on the floor with my pajama jams on. I don't know why I have my pajama jams on. And I know why I'm on the floor. It's just because I felt like going on the floor today. Don't know why. But today, we are going to be making a squishy out of makeup sponges. So I have not opened these up yet, and they feel really, really soft like squishies. This is not going to be a slow rising squishy, but yeah. So I got these from the pound shop, believe it or not, and it's 24 pack. You would see this in my haul. So yeah, let's open this up. So what you will needing is some makeup sponges. But then you'll need some paint or markers. I've got a little marker here just in case I can need it. A pencil, a paintbrush or something like that. But I'm using like I don't know what these are called. Some people call them cotton swabs or a Q-tip, but I just call them the white long things. So I've got 6 of these because there's 6 paints. And then that's it. I don't need that. So yeah, let's get on to the video. So I'm going to be making a cake for this one. You don't need to, but yeah. So these are called these are from Makeup Gallery Makeup Sponges 24 pack. So yeah. 1, 2, 3, let's open it. I want to see if these are good quality, so this is going to be interesting as well. So, let me open this up. It comes with these ones too, but like, I don't know if there's paint will show up in this. These are so soft. Like, I definitely will be using these for makeup. So, these are really, really soft and cool, so I really like them. So the ones are. And then here is the 2 ones that we're going to be making the squishies out of. So this one is going to be my white cake. This is my pink cake that I'm going to make. Some of these are like little curved there, but it's okay because this one isn't. This one's just straight. But yeah, this is a really, really soft. Like this would be really good for makeup. This is kind of slow rising, like. It doesn't pop all the way back up immediately, but see? And it makes that noise that all the other squishies do, like the sticky noise. Like that. So, yeah. So, I'm going to start off with the pink, I think. So, here it is. It's kind of, as you can see, it like looks like a cake slice. So, I don't know what way I should do it, like that way, or that way, or like that way. I think I'm going to do it that way. I don't know. It's hard. Like that way is pretty cool, but then this way looks better. I think I'm going to make it like that. So the cake's like that. So yeah. So now I'm going to take my paint. So first I'm going to take my pencil. I'm going to just do a little design on it that I'm going to be doing. So actually I'm not going to do that. You don't need this. Well, you do if you want to. But yeah. So I'm going to go on with the white. This is going to be really cool, squishy. After. Wait, so, here's the white I'm going to be using. I'm going to just put my, I'm just going to call it Q-tip for now. Like, I think that's what you call it in America, but I don't know. I'm just going to take this thing, and I'm going to do like little dots. Like, not little dots, but like, I'll show you in the end. Like, so I'm going to make all this top half like through to here. Sorry if you can hear music in the background. It was my little sister playing it. So right up to here, and I'm going to just fill in here. I'll probably speed this up. I don't know if I will though. Like, maybe I won't. Like you can use like fabric paint if you want. I'm just using this because this is all I had. It's pretty cheap for fabric paint, but I'm not going all the way out to the shops just for fabric paint when I already got, like, you know. Like, so that's the first part done. And then I'm going to go on with my, what colour will I make this? I'm going to go on with my red, I think. And I'm going to make like a little line of jam, like, because you know some cakes have jam in it. So that's might look dirty because my little sister used these before and she like mixed them a little bit. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to just make a little line of jam around the middle. Well, not around the middle, but you know what I mean. Like that. I'm going to make it better than that in a second. Dang it. Just a second. I was not swearing there. That's just saying dang it, not D-am it. So, yeah. Don't judge. Right, so there. Mine doesn't look that good because my paints are like max, but that's okay because it's still pretty good. Right, like that, and then I'm going to do that in the exact same place as the other side. Right there, made a little dot where I'm going to do it. I'm going to get some paint, like that, paint, and then I'm going to just do that and make it cool. Right, so here it is. Right, and now for the second part, I'm going to go in with, I'm going to make this a rainbow down the middle here. This isn't going to be like a cake. This is like, you know. I'm just going to put little black dots up there actually. I'm not going to make that rainbow. So I'm going to go in with my black. Looks like. Put my little thing. And I'm going to just make some dots. Like right up here where the white bit is. Just little ones. Like that. And then I'm going to take a new little cotton swab and I'm going to go in with the green. Actually no, I'm not. I'm going to go on with the blue. No, the green. Actually, yeah, the green. And I'm going to just like do little polka dots now. Like not polka dots actually, I'm going to do little lines. Like this. That's just a little bit of paint on it. Let me fix that. Like this. Just gonna put some more paint on it. So then it's more like vibrant and you can actually see it. Like that. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with the other side of my paintbrush and I'm going to make the sides white. This paint won't open. I hate paints like it opened. So I'm going to go on with the other side. I'm going to put my thing in here. And I'm going to just take, like, so I'm going to make these sides all like that. Oh, I've done that wrong, but that's okay. Right, so I'm going to make all the sides white. Sorry that this is like taking so long and I've got like not got any music in the background, but yeah, here is that. And now I'm gonna do this side. It's okay if this side is like wrong, like different. It needs to be different. Oh, dang it! Oh dang! And I don't know what part to hold. Right. Whatchy? Enough of that, and let's get on to the serious business. And I'm almost done. And if you guys want more like squishy videos and slime videos, then like a comment down below. I know that I've not got like a lot of subscribers or anything like that, but I'm going to keep on doing more videos and put a lot of effort into this, so then I get more subscribers. So that's that side done. That's that. Oh, that's that side done. That side done. Okay. So the next one, right? So that is our squishy done. Wait, actually, I'm gonna make the like this full side like green. So yeah. If you don't like it, then just go off of my YouTube. And yo, I got paint on the carpet. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to rub that off now. And rubbing. Right there. And now my pajama jams are all green. Right there. So now I'm going to take the green again. This is the green. And I'm going to just make this all green as I said before. I feel like the white one's going to be a lot better because like I know what to do now. Here. So it doesn't really look like a lot like a cake.